Hello friends, hello children, welcome to my channel RR Kids. So today we would be discussing and read and go through about the latest read, the youngest book. So this is a magazine. So can you see the edition? 2021 August September. So this is about catfish and other marine animals drawn. Let me take you through this magazine quickly. This is very interesting and it is very good for what age? Let's see. So this is good for this age group. You can see what all will learn. So you can go through this book because this is more or less, as this book will be a very big one, so I would only be taking you through the book. I'll pause in the important area where you can take the screenshot of it. It has very good information. It's very good for children. It just not only gives you facts but also explains you what is actually happening and many other things. Apart from this marine things, it is also explaining some other things related about vanilla flavor ice cream and puzzles. It has a lot of puzzles also. Have you heard about the life of a pie? So what is the relation among them? So this will always be helpful for your children. The crossword, the puzzles, the scribbles, sorry. There's a story. So this is a tale. This will also improve your English vocabulary, and also you'll get a lot of information about the world, the quiz world. You can see the map, the geography you come to get to know. My child likes reading all this thing. This is a hibiscus flower, corpse flower life cycle. So it's a corpse flower, we say. So we are getting to learn about science. Actually, I have not been through this book, but yes, my child is very much fond of this book. He has not completed reading the book entirely. Mind games are also there. So maybe you can just go through the book. The answers are given, but it is tilted other side. Let me just show you the answers. That's it. See you next time in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.